Hello guys, Andre here with the Wings Mobile Detailing. Today our team is working on this beautiful black Silverado, and we'll show you if you guys have a truck, if any one of you guys have a truck and you're looking to maintain your truck and know what's the best method to make sure your truck is always clean. If it's a pickup truck, a work truck, I'll show you the best sealant to use, the best method to clean from the inside out. So let's jump right into it. So first, we start with the interior details. So if your car is super dirty, your truck is super dirty, you already took to the mud, you want to clean it up really well. Vacuum, shampoo the seats and floors like we're going to show you guys now. Now if the vehicle is already brand new and you just want to maintain it before you start get it to the mud and get to your workplace, it's good to apply leather conditioning and fabric softeners to protect the fabric, the vinyl hard surfaces, and all the leather. Alright, so the next step after you detail the entire interior of the truck, and now it's time to get to the exterior. Wash it really deeply. In this case, we actually foam gun the vehicle. If you don't have a foam gun, you don't necessarily need that, but you can definitely hand wash completely with a strong soap, get all the bugs off and everything. Clean as much as you can. If you have a clay bar, that would most likely be the next step, but if not, we're definitely gonna apply a protection sealant to it. And this is the protection sealant we're gonna use. Now that's completely dried, this is the sealant we're gonna use. And if you guys wanna know how to apply, which to buy, this is the Jasker sealant. This is the best thing to maintain if you're gonna take your truck to the work location or just regular driving it. You definitely need a protection for the paint after a deep wash. You don't want to leave the paint just washed, degreased, and naked like that, because it's going to stain and create a road grime is going to eat away the paint job. Now check out this video on how to apply the sealant. We're going to show after results, but this is the next step way for you guys to treat your truck and make sure your truck is good for the road. Check the link above on how to apply it.